All right, we're back doing some more Common Core geometry. We're looking at Module 5, Lesson 7. Looking at the discussion, really. I guess page 81, 80, 81, and such. I took the liberty of starting out the diagram Sketchpad. So I have my concentric circles labeled O, and really looking at the diagram on page 81. So let's go ahead and measure up an angle maybe. So I have to select first here. So I'm just going to measure angle A, O, B, which is also C, and the rest. I'll turn this one off. So let's go ahead and measure that angle. Then let's go ahead and compare that to some other, some arc lengths. So I can measure this arc. I have too many things selected. I can do that again. I can measure this arc angle. I can measure this one. So I'm selecting the points and the circle, so I can measure the arc angle. And I can measure the arc angle of this one too. So not the length, I mean we could measure those as well. I guess I should have done that while I had them selected. But we'll just put them up there so we can compare and discuss. This one. And this one, so we'll just measure arc length. So I can even put them next to each other. The CD with the CD and the EF. Alright, so we can definitely see the arc lengths are not the same, but the arc angles and the measure of the central angle are. And if I just go ahead and hopefully move a couple of these, I can kind of get it down to the 20 degrees that it talks about in the discussion. So we can, again, but you'll notice as I change the angle, all of the arc angles remain the same, though the lengths of the arcs themselves, since they're not the same circle, will change. So that's kind of the part of the discussion for those first couple of pages. All right, we'll come back with some problems shortly.